Good morning, madam. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Yuvashalini Mathialagan, metric number 08 DPB F1102. Okay, so this is the table that I refer to draw my line graph. So this table actually shows the number and percentage of Malaysian graduates by employment status according to the field of studies between 2015 to 2016. The field of study that I chose to draw my line graph is the technical studies, which is this part, and according to the employment status of the graduates. So this is the line graph that I draw to represent the employment status of graduates in the field of technical from 2015 to 2016. Okay, this is the line graph. So the y-axis of the line graph shows the number of graduates, while the x-axis shows the employment status of graduates in the field of technical. So this is the legend, where blue color represents the year of 2015 and orange color represents the year of 2016. Okay, to start off my presentation, first we will see the first aspect, which is employed. Okay, the number of graduates who are employed in the year of 2015 is about 24,807, which is a nearly 25,000, while for the year of 2016 the number of graduates who are employed in the field of technical is just below 30,000. So as you can see, there is a gradual increase in the number of graduates between 2015 to 2016. So this is actually an encouraging figure, that almost 50% increase in the number of graduates who are employed. Secondly, we will see the second aspect, which is further study. So the number of graduates who are continuing their studies in the year of 2015 is around 10,000, while for the year of 2016, the number of graduates who are continuing their study is approximately 8,000 graduates. So as you can see, there is just a slight decrease in the number of graduates who are pursuing their further studies. This may fall in the reason where graduates nowadays are only concerned about getting a job rather than considered to further their studies. And the third aspect, we will look at the third aspect, which is upgrading their skills. So it seems like the number of graduates who are upgrading their skills seems to be stable for both the years. There is just a slight change between these 2 years. Next, we will look into the fourth aspect, which is the graduates who are waiting for their work placement. So from the graph, we can see that the number of graduates who are upgrading their skills has been leveled with the number of graduates who are waiting for their work placement. So as you can see, there is a steady trend between these two aspects. This may fall in the reason where nowadays graduates are not interested in upgrading their skills, or maybe for the waiting for the work placement, maybe graduates are in the competition to get a better job. Maybe there is a competition to get a better job. And the last part, we will look into the unemployment. For the year of 2015, it is approximately 12,000 graduates who are employed, and for the year of 2016, it is exactly 10,000 graduates who are unemployed. There is a slight downward trend between the year of 2015 to 2016 for the unemployed graduates. So this is actually a good news for all the graduates who are going to graduate in this field of study. Okay, to make it short, in brief, the number of graduates who are employed had a good progress within a year, and this is actually this would encourage the other students to really graduate in this field. And as I am a technical student, this is actually an encouraging factor to graduate in this field. On the contrary, the number of unemployed graduates got a lot more better. It's getting better in a period of 12 months after. So actually, graduates who are graduated in the field of technical actually getting job. As you can see here, this increase. So they are actually getting job, and the unemployment rate has been decreasing over the years. And anyways, to conclude, the main factor that we are concerned about is the number of employed and unemployed. So the number of employed is getting a lot more better compared to the number of unemployed. So this is all about this line graph, and that's all from me. Thank you.
The pie chart reviews the employment status in the field of education in 2016. From the information shown, we can see that the majority people in 78% of employment status with 23,846 people is employed, while unemployed accounts 12% with 2,707 people. The causes of unemployed, like people who was fresh graduated, housewife, and old people. Furthermore, people who waiting for work replacement made out of 5% of contest of employment status in the field of education in 2016 was 988 people. Lastly, people who go for further study and upgrading skill made out of the remaining percentage are 4% and 1% respectively. In conclusion, employed is the highest percentage and unemployed is the lower percentage of employment status in the field of education in 2016.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adzri Zulfiqar from DPB4C. Today I will present to you the bar graph of unemployed fresh graduate in Malaysia 2015 and 2016. There are 5 major field study in this graph. This is art and social science, technical study, information and communication technology, and education. So for the first major of field study in Malaysia is art and social science. So you can see from the graph, you can see the slightly increase of the unemployed fresh graduate, which is 27,316 students who are unemployed, and for the 2016 there are 28,043, which is there are maybe 1,000 increase of the unemployed fresh graduate. Okay, for the second major field study is science. For the 2015, you can see there are 8,447 students fresh graduate who are unemployed, and for the 2016 there are 8,911, which is there are maybe 500 increase of fresh graduate who are unemployed. For the third major field study in Malaysia is technical studies. Now you can see from the graph there have a drastic decrease for this field study. At the 2015, there are 11,480 fresh graduates who are employed, and for the 2016 there are 10,045. There are 1,000 decrease of the fresh graduate who are employed. So, for the information and communication technology, there are 4,284 fresh graduates who are unemployed in 2015, and for the 2016 there are 4,397 fresh graduates who are employed. We can see there are slightly increase for the 2016. And the last major field study in Malaysia is education. There are 3,325 who are unemployed in 2015, and 2,707 who are employed in 2016. Now we can see there are drastically decrease in this between 2 years.
Good afternoon, my name is Jothiga Murugan from DPB4C. My metric number is F1123. Today I will present a pie chart. This is the table that I used to draw the pie chart. As you can see, the table shows the number and percentage of the Malaysian graduates according to the field of studies by the employment status, which are stated in the year of 2015 and 2016. The table is divided into 5 types of field of studies, which are art and social science field of studies, science field of studies, technical skills, information and communication technology, last but not least, education field of studies. From the table, I have particularly chosen the art and social science field of studies. This is because art and social science field of studies train students to apply current research practices and specialized knowledge towards analyzing complex real-world problems and teach students to think creatively to cover up innovative solutions. Okay, let's move to the next slide. This is the pie chart. I took the information from the table and draw it into a pie chart. This pie chart illustrates the employment status in the field of art and social science in the year of 2016. In the pie chart, it shows the number and percentage of the Malaysian graduates by the employment status in the year of 2016 in the field of arts and social science. As we are looking at the pie chart, we can say that 54.7% of Malaysian graduates are employed, 15.7% of graduates are continuing their studies, 2.5% are upgrading their skills, 2.3% of graduates are waiting for work placement, and the rest 24.8% of Malaysian graduates are unemployed. As we could say that many more Malaysian graduates are employed, meaning they are working in the field of art and social science than when compared to the unemployment status. Unemployment meaning they are not working, or in other words, the state of being unemployed. Unemployment occurs when the person who is actively searching for work or employment is unable to find the work. Well, many graduates or majority of the Malaysian graduates have employed. I'm talking about the whole group of the Malaysian graduate that having the majority is employed. Majority means they are more than 50%. It could be 51%, or in this case they are 54.7% of Malaysian graduates have employed in the field of art and social science. It is really like a a large majority of the graduates have employed. They are about to 61,722 number of Malaysian graduates have employed in the field of art and social science. So this pie chart demonstrates that more graduates have employed in the field of art and social science. This is because the field of studies encompasses a wide collection of fields and specialization, including communication and media studies, gender studies, global studies, and also include history, politics, and international relationship. Moreover, journalism, writing, and screen studies. It proves that opportunity for graduate to gain valuable career are built in this field of studies. That is why most of the graduates in the field of art and social science have employed in this field. Besides that, the pie chart represents 15.7% of Malaysian graduates in the field of art and social science go for further studies. That means they are continuing their studies. They are about 17,741 number of graduates. That means they want to plunge deeper into the studies to learn more advanced aspect or broaden their knowledge. In the pie chart, a tiny fraction of Malaysian graduates in the field of art and social science are waiting for work placement. It is a smaller percentage, that is 2.3% are waiting for work placement. There are about 2,607 number of Malaysian graduates, with a small different percentage and number, which is 2.5% of Malaysian graduates are upgrading their skills. They are about 2,826 number of Malaysian graduates. From the pie chart, I conclude that there are majority of Malaysian graduates are employed. They are about 54.7%, and the least percentage in the pie chart is 2.3%, which is the graduates are waiting for the work placement. 2.5% of them are upgrading skills. 15.7% of graduates are continuing their studies, while the rest 24.8% of Malaysian graduates are unemployed. They are about 28,043 number of students. This is from me. Thank you.